acne scars, dull skin, expensive creams that never work. Here's the truth. Your glowing skin fix isn't in a $90 serum. It's in 5 fruits you probably walk past every week, and one of them actually has twice the vitamin C of an orange. Welcome to Zenify Life, where food becomes your skincare. Number 1. Kiwi. This little green fruit has nearly double the vitamin C of an orange. That's what your body uses to build collagen, the protein that keeps skin firm, plump, and helps acne scars heal faster. One kiwi actually has more vitamin C than an entire orange. If you've been skipping kiwi, your skin is missing out. Number 2. Papaya. It's packed with papain, an enzyme that helps your body shed dead skin cells and calm inflammation from breakouts. Think of it like a natural exfoliant working from the inside out. And here's the bonus. Mashed papaya can even be applied as a face mask for a quick glow. Number 3. Blueberries. Small but powerful. They're loaded with antioxidants that shield your skin from pollution, junk food damage, and even sun exposure. Diets high in berries are linked to fewer wrinkles, fewer dark spots, and firmer skin. They're tiny, anti-aging bombs. Number 4. Oranges. But not orange juice. Juicing strips away the fiber and spikes blood sugar, which can actually make acne worse. Whole oranges, on the other hand, deliver vitamin C with fiber to keep your skin and your body balanced. Peel it, eat it, glow. And number 5, avocado. Yes, it's a fruit, and it's one of the best for your skin. Packed with vitamin E and healthy fats, avocado hydrates your skin barrier from the inside out. Dryness, fine lines, flakiness, avocado smooths them out naturally. It's like skincare you can eat. Quick recap. Kiwi for collagen, papaya for exfoliation, blueberries for antioxidants, oranges for balanced vitamin C, and avocado for hydration. Forget overpriced serums. These 5 fruits are the real skincare routine. This is Zenify Life, bringing you science-backed wellness through everyday foods. Which fruit should I cover next? The best for sleep, gut health, or weight loss? Comment below and subscribe for more natural ways to glow from the inside out.